Welcome to my comprehensive review of Yogaia, the online yoga and fitness platform offering interactive live classes and pre-recorded sessions for yoga, mindfulness, and body movement. In this video, I'll walk you through the key features and user experience to help you determine if Yogaia aligns with your fitness goals. Yogaia stands out for its interactive features. Unlike many online fitness platforms, it allows real-time instructor feedback during live sessions, making it feel more personal and engaging. The platform is beginner-friendly, with classes ranging from basic yoga poses to advanced practices. It also includes mindfulness sessions, Pilates, and strength-focused workouts. Upon signing up, you can explore the site's clean, intuitive layout. You'll find the schedule of live classes prominently displayed, alongside a library of on-demand videos. The filtering options make it easy to select classes based on your skill level, focus areas, and duration preferences. Navigating through the site is smooth, with no noticeable lags. Once you join a live session, you'll notice features like turning on your camera for personalized feedback, an option some users may find invaluable for improving their form. If you're privacy conscious, there's no requirement to use this feature. On-demand videos come with clear instructions and structured formats. However, the selection could feel limited for users seeking niche styles of yoga. Another key aspect is the subscription pricing. While Yogaia offers a free trial, its pricing model might be steep for some. It's worth evaluating if the interactive features and live feedback justify the cost. The platform integrates well with smart TVs, mobile devices, and laptops, ensuring accessibility wherever you practice. One downside is the lack of offline download options for on-demand videos, which could inconvenience users with unreliable internet connections. Overall, Yogaia excels in creating an interactive yoga experience, fostering a community feel in a virtual setting. Whether you're just starting or looking to deepen your practice, the platform offers plenty of variety to explore. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more reviews, and hit the like button if you found this video helpful.